find the time to breathe, find the time to relax. And suddenly the bodies feel like they have a space to heal. Okay? And that's the power that we forget from our body. Our body has power to heal itself, balance itself, rest and relax itself. So when you have some wounds, some sickness, pain in your body, so it's wonderful to allow yourself to naturally have a time to heal and to rest and to balance itself. You find the time to eat, find the time to rest, find the time to breathe, find the time to relax. And suddenly the bodies feel like they have a space to heal. Okay? And that's the power that we forget from our body. Our body has power to heal itself, balance itself, rest and relax itself. But sometimes we struggling too much. We have much tensions and a lot of stress, and that we lose that balance. We come back to ourselves to practice even 5 minutes, 10 minutes to allow yourself to strengthen the body, strengthen our spine and our upper back, but at the same time to just do stretching, help your body to be more flexible. So we'll open our palms together, breathe in, open your heart, breathe out, relax our body. Bring your mind back to the body, breathe in, out. Feel your 2 feet on the ground. Feel your 2 palms, front of the lower abdomen. You can do short 1 minute. Move your body to the right and to the left. One hand touch shoulders, another hand touch your lower back. Okay. Relax your shoulders. Relax your lower back and your feet. Stand by one leg. And relax your hands, your palms, fingers, and your knees and your toes, okay? And do reverse. The other leg. Do reverse. Feel your knees, feel your hands and your legs, okay? Open your palms, inhale, bring your mind back to the body, exhale. Let go all tensions and worries from the shoulders, your hands and your back, also from your legs. Feel your body, feel your lower abdomen rising when you breathe in, falling when you breathe out. So the tiger stands 2 legs parallel together. So when I breathe in, I will cross my 2 palms and face up, and I bend my head forward to look down to the earth and keep my knees straight. Okay, breathe out, jump, holding your 2 hands together, and then turn to the left. Breathe in, stretch up 2 hands, breathe out, bend forward. Okay. And 2 elbows close your ears and holding your hand and look down to the earth, okay, to the left. Inhale, push up again. Exhale, center. Inhale from the right, lift your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Okay. Inhale, your hand inside and stretch up. Exhale, center. Okay. Inhale, jump. And out, come back. Okay. Inhale, cross your 2 hands. Exhale, jump. Inhale, move to the left and stretch up. Exhale, move down, look down to the earth. Inhale, move inside and stretch up. Exhale, stand solid. Your center, close your ear, okay? Inhale again, right side. Exhale, move forward and look down to the earth. In. Stretch up. Out. Inhale, jump. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. Exhale, jump. In from the left. Out. Bend forward, look down to the earth on the left side. In, up, stretch up. Out, center. Inhale from the right. Out, look down to the earth, to the right side. Inhale again, up. Exhale, center. Inhale, jump. And out. That's wonderful. Open the palms. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the body. Relax the mind. And feel your shoulders. Feel your lower abdomen. Feel your back. Feel your two legs on the ground. Let go all worries, tensions from your body, okay? Then you can massage your back. From the upper back, go down to lower back. Go down two legs. Go to up front. Go down again. Go to in the back, okay? That's wonderful. Breathe in, raise your hands up, stand by your toe, and breathe out. Do just make to release tension. Like that, okay? Release worry and tensions and stress from the body, okay? Inhale. One more time. In, deep. That's wonderful. Open your palms one more time. Inhale. Exhale. And one hand on your heart, another hand on your lower abdomen. You breathe in and out and embrace your whole body. Feel your heart. Feel your lower abdomen. Feel grateful to your body, to your internal organs. Send love and peace, healing energy to them. You feel your two palms warm, transmit energy, right, to your whole body. Breathe in. Breathe out and release tensions. Feel grateful to be alive. Feel the Mother Earth with you and smile. Thank you, body, for being there. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you.